Hartman Adventures at them, man. Hey, what's going on again, people? Dre again with Hartman Adventures. Out here, I do a little bit of night fishing tonight. It's been a while since we come out. We do some night fishing, but just reached on a location here and set up a couple lines. I was out hunting some live mullet this evening. I got a few of them, so hopefully we can get a few nice runs. But if not, then I'll play some footage from another night that we went out the other day. It wasn't all that, so we weren't really doing a lot of recording. But we did get a few hookups, and I'll throw that into this video as well. So welcome back to Hartman Adventures. If you haven't subscribed as yet, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, share the video with your friends and family. Let them know that we're doing some awesome stuff over here. So welcome back to Hartman Adventures, and stay tuned for the rest of the video. Reel up now. Put on back a next bait. Go on with the bait. Oh, you need to run with it. And bite up.
This still a kick though.
Settle there. Next time I might have to make you run a little bit further.
That's as far as I threw it the last time.
Reel up. This feel like a jack.
Until I'm seeing it on the mind. Two of them get
Is it back again?
as soon as they come with it.
Good shake head little more.
I can't want hungry this year again.
Hungry again.
I'm hungry again, yeah.
I was expecting boss. He came up and making out. That's it.
In piggy? Oh, shoot!
What on bait tonight? No.
Ain't gonna wrap up, that's why, yeah.
No man, I snap a rig design.
And guys, we're back.
Oh, sorry, come like you want to spool me so.
So, Mr. Hart has apparently decided to try and catch Moby Dick today.
No, bro, this is how spool me, man.
And I don't know if you hear the rev running. Just hold him. The rev is running. Let's see if we can hear it.
Alright.
Can you hear it, guys?
Also,
Hear that?
this is a run like a stingray, Bertie, man.
Listen to
This is a
that.
run like stingray. But I can't tighten down no more upon him because at 20 pounds mid upon.
And they're off. Hold on, is this going to be another one like your birthday one?
No, because at 20 pounds lead mid upon.
Let's hope not.
Come. You can't turn your head, you know. Stingray this one.
You lie down. You lie down. Whoa, look at that, guys.
come here.
Let's see if we can get him in close and look at him.
I get little no. Enough lining gone with them. Enough lining taking a birdie. Up on the other side, we can't see.
1 monster stingray on the menu. Coming right up.
In the right in and out.
Let's see if we can see him, guys.
My swim coming hard.
Maybe the waves are bringing him in.
A birdie there.
Bird! Bird! Still swimming in?
Oh, my swim coming fast, man.
Come on, you can do this. Alright, so the beat there. Let's see if we can see him, guys. Somewhere off here, so.
You're right.
Mine?
Yes, you're right. Feel like stingray, man.
I want stingray, right?
Yeah, it looks like.
This is something like something flash up a while ago.
I'm almost sure I see it here a while ago. Feel like stingray, it looks like stingray.
I'm going to tell you after this, man.
Stingray. Ah!
Got it? Yeah.
Think everything now.
Jesus.
Think I probably drop right in here, but you know,
Huh?
oh, stingray.
Might tell me say stingray because we are in a wheelie and it like it's tough to
Yeah,
the
man,
ground.
though in run, me know say a stingray. From two, I seen take off the first time, you know, man. You know, say I must want stingray, you know. 20 pound line, they hold up good still. Strong. 20 pound line, strong. Yeah. Alright, we gotta rig up again. Stingray. Cut off. This feel better than stingray.
Alright guys, so
No, I never near you.
that other one was a stingray.
Go up on the other side, you can't see.
Mr. Hart decided to try and catch something else. What's that?
The one that feel better than stingray.
Oh no.
Yeah.
Fisherman's worst enemy. Can you see it, guys?
Watch him wrap up the line.
I mean, he's fat, but
Walk, miss it, and go on, yeah.
he's gone. Weight and all.
We're done now.
Oh dear.
I stone the braid cut from. Well, yeah, people. That's it for tonight, you know. Didn't show much of this location because we didn't really get much hookup, but I don't know if you can see it right now. It's starting to rain. We were here for just a short time. but it's starting to rain, so just gonna pack up and head home. But hope you enjoy the footage from the previous night. So thanks for tuning in to Hartman Adventures. Catch you out in the next video.